Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Mi Home app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings. You just click on it. So when you click on additional settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to see here implementation here result notifications. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.